Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vibration sensor in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a socket wrench rigged with a 1/4-inch head and a Phillips bead. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vibration sensor. The vibration sensor is installed at the top front of the outer tub. It senses irregular vibrations and allows the control board to start the self-adjusting. If the vibration sensor fails, the washer will stop spinning and the error code 8E will be displayed. Then check the vibration sensor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove the top panel that's held in place with the 2 screws here. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Taking them out. Now I'm going to pull this top back and I'm going to lift it off. So here we see the vibration sensor that we need to replace, and we need to release the harness. This is one of the retainer clips. I'm going to twist it open, pull it out, then there's a second one. Spread it apart, pull it down here. Now we need to take this one off. I'm going to use the pliers to squeeze these tabs. And I'm going to pull the retainer out. So let it hang out right there for a while. So next we need to remove these 2 Phillips screws, and we are limited with this space on the top of it. So, well, unless you have a real short and chubby Phillips screwdriver, you can use that one if you do have it. If not, I was able to come up with something else. This is the special tool I came up with. This is your ratchet with the 1/4-inch head and a regular Phillips bead. But because it's not magnetic, I'll have to put some tape on it. So that's what it is. It's going to work just fine. I prefer this one because it's a ratchet and less effort. So let's take out those 2 screws. All right, I'm going to install my special tool on that Phillips screw here. And the second one. Now I'm going to lift it off. And now we can disconnect this plug. I'm going to press down on the tab here and pull it apart. Don't let this thing go down, otherwise you're facing a little bit more of disassembling. This is the old vibration sensor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I've got here a new vibration sensor. I'm going to start with plugging it in. Make sure it's locked. Next, I'm going to place it into this retainer clip. Alright, so this opening will go over this pin, and these 2 pins will match with those 2 openings here. We're going to place screws in there. Press it down. And I'm going to install the screw. And the second one. Start it manually, then I'm going to use my device here. That's our ratchet with the Phillips bead in it. Now I'm going to attach the harness to the brace. That clip goes into this hole here, push it in, and it's going to lock in there. And then there's another one here, the retainer clip. Place the harness into it, and then we're going to use this twister. Now we're going to install the top back on. I'm going to place it down a couple of inches away from the control panel. Make sure it's straight, and I'm gonna slide it forward so the front will lock. Now we're gonna secure the top panel to the cabinet with a couple of screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.